It's mine.
God damn. How much you take?
It's just so I can put up with you. Tranquilizers. It's either beer or pills or both. Yeah. Oh, that's good. Get it right there. Give it the itch on the back. Ah, yeah. Round and round. Mmm. That's really good. You still got good touch. What? You gonna fall on me? Come over here and trample me. That's really good. Oh, get it right there.
Good job. Graham, that's nice of you.
Yeah. Give it the real hard squeeze. Oh, we're good, yeah.
Yeah, but if it ain't forget it.
This is the nicest you've been to me in a week.
Good job, Graham.
That's good. I don't want you to die here on me.
Jeez. What I gotta do.
If you get a fungus on your hands, it's probably from my head.
Get it all off. All the shit off. One more time. Gotta pay me for this.